Hi, we've recently learned of a couple of small problems with the Excel workbook for the week 4 assignment. And so the way you saw it here is how it downloads when you open it, but you need to expand it so you can see more. And once you do that, you realize that you're only looking at step 3 down here, and there's actually 3 worksheets in this workbook. It's on the first one, but you can't see it till you click this little arrow here and scroll over. So if you scroll twice, now you see the start of your sheet that you're actually on. And so that's the first thing you should do. And then to actually start the assignment with the directions here, you would click up here in A1 and then just follow the directions from there. Step 2 sheet is fine, and the step 3 sheet has a couple of small issues. One is that in this number 9, if you put the formula here in B16, there should be another line that says to then fill that across to F16. Fill the formula across, just like you did with the totals here in row 17. So that's being added to a new version of the assignment, but right now it's not there. The last thing is that sometimes this box that contains the directions may open where you can't see all of the last direction. So if you can't see number 12, click and drag this down so you're sure you're seeing all the directions.